Welcome to Out and About with Toby. I'm sitting out here in the car, getting ready to go for a drive in the rain, because this is the Drive 52, Driving in the Rain. Thanks for being with me, everybody. We're going to take a drive around the neighborhood and check out what it's like to drive in Southern California rain. Because, you know, it doesn't rain in Southern California, it pours. Let's make a left here. It's been coming down, my friends. We have a flash flood warning. And as you can see, I've replaced my wipers with some really good new wipers. And it should be safe as long as we just stick to the neighborhood. Beautiful. We're going to make a left here. Oh, what a beautiful left turn that was. And then we're going to make a left turn here. Well, this left turn's almost as good as the last one. My. And we got some rain here on the windshield. So happy you could join me for this little drive, this little cruise around the neighborhood. This is where I live. Nice little place. Good folks. Happy times. Okay, we're making a right here. Oh, look at this water. Oh, yes. Make a left here. Oh. Sweet left. A little street ball here, a little street basketball. Who doesn't love street basketball? This should cause quite a few mudslides. But that's the way we like it out here in Southern California. Here's the old Carlson Park. Remember, folks, don't go be a missionary and proselytize in parts of Africa where they'll want to kill you. This is pretty interesting. We're just about to cross DeBidy Street, and now we have. Dr. DeBidy almost came up with a cure for cancer. That's how he's famous. Check this out. That's what it looks like over there. All the old houses done away with, like this one, and the new ones, the McMansions popping up. So on that note, thanks for joining me for this incredible ride around the neighborhood. We'll see you next time. Stay safe, keep dry, take care. Bye now.